In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and download your website source code from a Genspark project. First, start by opening the Genspark project that contains your website code. Make sure you're in the correct project space, especially if you have multiple projects. From the main dashboard or project list, enter the project where your latest website, build, or prototype lives so you're working with the right version. Once you're inside, locate the generated files or code output. This is typically found in a section labeled Output, Build, or Files. If your project has multiple generations, look for the most recent one by checking the timestamps or version labels. The goal here is to confirm you're viewing the final compiled assets and source files that Genspark produced for your site. Next, look for the Export, Download, or File Management option. This might appear as a button that says Export Code, Download, or something similar in a toolbar or context menu. If you don't see it at first glance, check the top navigation, the sidebar, or any three-dot menus near the file list. When prompted, choose the format or file package for the source code. The most common option will be a zip archive that bundles everything together. If you're asked to include assets, dependencies, or build artifacts, select the full package so you receive HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and any other necessary files. This ensures the site runs the same way outside Genspark. Go ahead and download the files to your device. Pick a destination folder you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated projects directory. Wait for the download to complete before moving on. Larger sites may take a bit longer, so keep the browser tab open until the file finishes saving. Open the downloaded folder and confirm the files are complete. If you received a zip, extract it first, then check for the expected structure, an index.html or equivalent entry file, style and script folders, and any assets. Skim any included README for setup notes. If something looks missing or corrupted, return to Genspark and repeat the export. Finally, use the exported code in your editor or hosting setup. Open the folder in your preferred code editor to make changes or run a local preview. When you're ready to publish, upload the exported files to your hosting environment or integrate them into your existing deployment workflow. And that's it. Open the project, find the output, export, pick your format, download, verify, and put the code to work.